In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove, add, and change video backgrounds in CapCut. Whether you're looking to make your videos more dynamic, replace a distracting background, or simply get creative with your content, CapCut makes it easy to achieve professional results without requiring advanced editing skills. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove the background of your video and replace it with a new one, whether it's an image, another video, or even an animated scene. So let's dive right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. This will create a fresh workspace where you can edit your video. A new project ensures that you have a clean slate to work from, so you can focus entirely on the clip you want to modify. Once your workspace is ready, it's time to import the video you want to edit. To do this, tap on the import option and select your video from your device. Alternatively, depending on your version of CapCut, you might see a plus icon or another import button. Either of these will allow you to add your clip into the project. With your video imported, drag it onto the timeline. This is the main editing area where you'll make all the changes. Now tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This step is crucial because any editing tools you apply will only work on the clip that's highlighted. Once your video is selected, look for the Remove Background or Cutout tool on mobile devices. You'll find this in the bottom toolbar. While on desktop, it's often located in the right side panel. Depending on your version, this option might also appear as Remove BG or something similar. After locating the tool, tap Auto Removal. CapCut will immediately analyze your video, identify the subject, and begin separating it from the background. This process might take a few moments, especially for longer videos or if your device has limited processing power, so just be patient. Once it's done, take a moment to review the results. If the edges around your subject don't look perfect, don't worry. CapCut offers fine-tuning tools that you can use to manually clean up the cutout and refine the details. Now that we've removed the background, let's move on to adding a new one. Start by importing your new background. This could be an image, another video, or even an animated scene. If you don't have one ready, CapCut also provides a built-in library with plenty of options to choose from. Alternatively, you can use their text-to-image generator to create a custom design that fits your vision. Once you've chosen your new background, drag it onto the timeline and position it underneath your original video clip. This layering is important because the new background needs to sit behind the transparent areas of your main clip in order to be visible. With the background in place, adjust the foreground video to ensure the composition looks just right. You can resize, shift, or reposition the video by pinching and zooming on mobile or by using the drag handles on desktop. If the alignment feels off, don't hesitate to experiment with different positions until everything looks natural and cohesive. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the background from your video and replaced it with a completely new one. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start editing today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.